What is BKF and why do professional cleaners love it so much? Hey, Crunchy Fat Clean friends, let's talk about hard water and sinks and cleaning it with BKF. Just two products that I used. Barkeeper's Friend has been around for a very long time, since like the 1880s. Long time. The main ingredient in Barkeeper's Friend is oxalic acid. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the core ingredient, which is a natural compound that's found in rhubarb and spinach. And it works at molecular level to break down rust and lime deposits. So what's the difference between BKF or Comet or Ajax? Well, BKF is an acidic cleaner, like vinegar is acidic. BKF is an acidic cleaner, where most other powdered cleansers are alkaline, bleach-based. So this is not a bleached-based cleaner. It is an acidic cleaner. One of the main ingredients is made from vegetables. So that's pretty awesome. So it is recommended to use gloves if you're going to use it for an extended period of time, or if you have skin sensitivity. I like to use gloves when I use BKF. But look at how it removed those hard water mineral deposits off of that sink. Shined it right up. Got a nice and crunchy fat clean. Now, with any product, you really need to read the label to make sure you're using it on the correct surface. Since Barkeeper's Friend is an acidic cleanser, there are certain surfaces you should not use it on, such as cast iron, granite, marble, wood, gold, silver, fabric, leather, or painted surfaces. If you're going to use it to clean up a pot or a baking dish, make sure you thoroughly wash it all off because you don't want any leftover residue on something that you're going to cook off of. BKF is great for removing grease stains, stove glass tops, water spots in a glass shower door, rust, and many other things. But again, always read the label, whether it's the powder, the cream, or the foaming spray bottle. Always read the label to make sure you're using it correctly on the right surface. And do not let BKF sit for a long time. The recommended time to let it sit is 1 minute. Don't let it sit longer. It can ruin your surface. For surfaces such as plastic or porcelain, you may have to let it stay on for a little bit longer than 1 minute, but do a spot check first with a tiny amount to see what it does to the surface. And if all else fails and you're not 100% sure, contact the company through their website and ask them first before using it so that you don't ruin the surface. You can grab BKF with my Amazon link down below. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. This is an eco-friendly cleaning product that's been around for many years and is great for removing rust stains and cleaning. Barkeeper's Friend also has a spray foaming action. It's called More. Mineral deposits, oily residues, rust stains, and everyday grime. It's great. Barkeeper's Friend, you can get the powder form, you can get the spray form or the liquid form. Check my other video talking about Barkeeper's Friend. Do you know that one of the ingredients comes from beets? It's really great. I really love the eco-friendly aspect of it. Use my Amazon link down below under cleaning tools, sprays, and creamers to grab your goodie. I'm going to put some Barkeeper's Friend on this. Like that. Get my glove back on. And scrub. Well, actually, wet that a little bit and scrub. Voila! Look at that. It's coming off. Let's try some over here. this is looking. You gotta really scrub hard. Let me switch. My arm's getting tired. Nah, it's not the right glove, but who cares? Alright, let's see. This is looking. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let me put my glove back on. I just don't want to touch this because it kind of stings your hand after a while. But look, it's coming off little by little. So I'm going to keep doing some more scrubs. I know with a power tool it would be a lot easier, right? But I don't have one, so gotta do it old school. Use your muscle. And scrub, scrub, scrub. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Coming off. That's hair dye on a sink. Some hair dye. So, look at that. It's coming off.